Good morning, Tejasvi. Tejasvi
Good
is
morning,
doing,
sir.
good morning. Tejasvi is doing internship in Endeavor Marketing. So I'm just Tejasvi. Can you just introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. My name is Tejasvi, and I'm doing internship in Endeavor Marketing.
Okay.
Uh, so, talking about me, I'm pursuing MBA in Jain Engineering College,
Okay.
which is in Mache, Belgaum. And talking about my hobbies, I love doing creative things,
Okay.
and and doing doing many more craft things, cooking and all. And recently I have come in touch with this digital marketing, which I've learned from sir, Rajesh sir. And it's very interesting, and I've learned a lot of things from sir, from digital marketing course.
Okay. Okay.
And talking about my schooling, I've done my schooling from Divine Providence Convent High School.
Mhm.
And I have a small sister, and I have even told her about the digital marketing program, what
Okay.
sir has taught me, and even she's interested in doing that.
I guess
Thank you.
was digital interning introduced in your college earlier? Have you learned it?
So,
Was digital marketing there in your syllabus in your college?
uh, so no, not exactly, but then I've attended your sessions in Jain College.
Yes, last
Like,
year I visited Jain College. Yeah.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So Tejasvi, what is the project that you're doing in Endeavor Marketing?
So my project is a workflow for WhatsApp program for financial distribution.
Okay.
Like I'm designing the graphics, multiple graphics, and content writing in it, and creating like Facebook ads, WhatsApp ads.
Mhm.
And as sir, you have taught us like like budgeting and all. I'm learning, like, still doing a research in it.
Yes, yes. So how was the training? I mean, was it useful for you for conducting projects, or did you get a good amount of knowledge through the training what we had for the 5-day trainings what we had in the initial stage?
Yes, sir. It was very initial, and I have learned lot of things, like creating new graphics. And I was like, I didn't know how to do content writing, but then after getting into this internship course, I've learned little bit of content writing, like even doing this WhatsApp ads and marketing. Like
Okay.
even talking to people is a bit like difficult, like I felt. But
Okay.
then getting into this digital marketing, it has taught me a lot of things, sir.
And how you have gone about executing your project? What are the things that you carried out?
So actually I've referred all my friends, like, but then they all are like learning MBA and all. So it's difficult to get international clients, like as you said, sir, that we have to search
Yeah.
for international clients. I'm still doing it, and I will give my best, sir.
Were you able to get in touch with the finance distribution companies who are into distribution of loans and all during this period?
um, so not exactly, but then still working on it, sir.
Okay, okay. And what are your experiences working with Endeavor Marketing during the internship period?
um, So actually, I've learned doing this banner posts, invitation cards, and all. And recently, my friend has uh, they have told me, like, just add like post banner cards for me. And recently, I have done one poster for pastry. These things, like cakes and all.
Okay, so
So I've recently,
you have been implementing it for the other clients as well,
yes,
designing
yes,
things
sir,
for
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And how was your journey being into Endeavor Marketing? How is the support you have got from Endeavor Marketing for your project?
So as I told, you have taught us a lot of things. Like I didn't know about how to do budgeting and doing ads.
Okay.
So I've learned how to speak with people, and Endeavor Marketing has taught us doing creative things, and I love doing creative things. So I will surely look forward to learn more things from you, sir.
Yes. Yes, because see, this is a very wide field, and you have so many opportunities. I mean, once you start learning and digging deep into this field, there are so many things which you can learn, and so it's a very creative field.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And how has the support been from Endeavor Marketing for you?
So, so you have taught us like a lot of things. Like if some things are being missing, you have taught us like, yeah, this should be correct, that should be correct, and that support I have got, sir, from you. And even ma'am has like she's been telling like you have to use new graphics and all. I've been searching for new graphics and doing many more banners for it.
Okay.
And Endeavor Marketing has taught us creating inventing more um, ideas and all. So it is like it's great learning from Endeavor Marketing.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Tanvi. Tejasvi, it was nice talking to you, right? And we wish you a very
Thank you,
bright
sir.
future.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.